Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC. Emulators are software programs that let you run mobile applications on your computer, providing a much larger screen and often more precise controls. This guide will help you set up your favorite game, Clash Royale, on a desktop or laptop. You will need a reliable internet connection and a few minutes to get everything installed and ready for action. First, choose an emulator that suits your computer's specifications. Popular choices like BlueStacks or Nox Player offer excellent performance and features. Always download the installer directly from the emulator's official website to ensure security and the latest version. The installation process typically takes only a few minutes, guiding you through each step. Make sure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth operation. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. This is just like setting up a new Android device. Search for Clash Royale in the store and proceed with the installation. After the game downloads, open it and link your existing Supercell ID. This crucial step ensures all your game progress and purchases are safely transferred to your PC. To enhance your gaming experience, adjust the emulator settings for optimal performance, such as allocating more RAM or CPU cores if available. Customize your keyboard and mouse controls for maximum comfort and precision during battles. Playing in full-screen mode offers a more immersive view of the arena. Remember to keep both your emulator and Clash Royale updated to enjoy the best stability and new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.